right now almost. That's crazy.
It's like just a huge piece of equipment, just so effortlessly transported down the mountain. Wow.
What, dude? You think it'll come back up again?
It seems like it's been going up and down.
Could you imagine, like, oh shoot, this pipe burst on top of the mountain? It's gonna be $100,000 in helicopter fuel. Imagine it drops on that car.
I'm sure
That'd be pretty
doing this.
That's probably why there were people showing up at like 4 today.
Oh, really?
Ooh.
I don't know.
True.
I'm sure doing this, I mean, whoever's operating the helicopter is probably charging a lot of money for this.
A lot. Plus, this is like a stressful thing. It is.
Yeah, you definitely know what
Yeah,
you're
they
doing.
make it big.
I'd be a little scared to be in that right now with him, like, hovering up there and hauling the equipment and stuff.
You see how much it's like?
I was scared to be under it.
You know what? Actually, if you guys want,